at it now.
Next time I see Rashi drinking something, I'm just gonna like get real close.
Fuck.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
I want to see it. I want to see it live.
That's so weird.
Live.
What?
It's not as exciting when I do it live. You guys are all disappointed. You guys don't see it the same way ever again.
Just can't live up to the hype.
No. Too much pressure to perform.
Ooh, banner. Too much pressure to perform.
You know what, you guys? I've come to realize one thing.
What?
Beer sucks.
Well, other than that, you should not watch The Handmaid's Tale when you're going through quarantine.
When you're going to what?
When you're going through quarantine, you should not watch A Handmaid's Tale.
Why?
Because I'm just even more depressed than I was before now.
Oh.
That show's cool.
It's depressing as fuck.
That explains
Nah,
why
it's
Lewis
like-
likes it.
It's like Utopia.
Like a dystopia. What? No! What kind of utopia you be living in, bro?
He's a sexist, remember?
It's a joke.
Right.
It's a joke.
It's not.
No, it's not.
It's
No,
not.
it's not. You are not joking.
I remember I read that freshman year of high school. It was whatever. What was Margaret Atwood? Is that?
Yeah.
Is that yeah. Eh.
You hear that, Pierre? People read.
Lewis is a degenerate, so I don't care.
I don't think Pierre knows how to read.
That's why I listen to audiobooks.
I know.
There's no hard words. There's no 4-letter words in there. Those are too hard.
Dude, this black hole is so good. That's what she said.
Bad. Isn't bad?
Oh yeah, you like filling that black hole
I do.
until it becomes supermassive and collapses on itself.
Good.
It prolapses on itself.
I'll take that.
He's in a spacesuit that's just completely covered in stuff.
I think I'm more stuffed than suit right now.
Yeah, I think you are.
Where is... Ah, I found it! Lewis, over here! Wait, no, never mind. That's a stupid fucking shrine.
Oh, what kind of shrine?
It's mine, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Do you have shrine?
Oh, I don't like this Oculus one.
I'm repairing some drones. Ooh, what is that?
1 lunar. Use it. Get it.
Should I?
Do it! Do it! We're gonna die anyway.
Yeah, I feel like death is imminent.
Thank God for that.
Thank God.
Death comes
Same.
for us all.
Same, TBH.
Same.
But there.
Where?
Okay, it's behind you. There. Guess
This?
No, the round thing to your right. Okay, you did a full 360.
Here.
It's like 6 feet in front of you.
I think I'm concentrating on not dying right now.
It's literally like a round bowl-looking thing on that rock.
Round bowl looking thing on the rock? What color
On
is
the
it?
left, it's the same color as the rock. What? No, go back down.
Okay.
On the slope. They're on the left. No, back on the. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna murder you. Right there, it's glowing. Right there, yes, that thing.
Oh my god, you guys are funny.
Can
I think
someone murder me?
I used it. Oh God.
You did not.
I did not.
You still have your lunar coin washer thing.
How do I use it?
Should just be E.
Nah, it's not letting me do that.
Okay, well, that was an adventure.
In and of itself.
Adventure and a half.
Where is the shrine? Wait, what the fuck? Is it over here? Indrid, don't die.
I'll be fine, dude. you like making baby noises?
I think those were delusional whispers.
It's me. I'm hearing voices and they're coming out of my.
I don't think that's how hearing voices works.
Nah.
I can't get them in anymore.
How long has she been quarantined? About 2 weeks. I mean, not 2 weeks. About like 2 days. 2 hours.
4 days.
Rashi, what's the longest you've been without breaking quarantine?
Like a week.
What? No, fuck you. It's longer than a week. When I had to go get tested.
You got
Oh,
tested
yeah.
for corona?
Yeah. I had to go get tested because at work we had 3 people test positive.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. So we had to close down for like a week, and then after that I was too traumatized to go back.
Okay. Fucking shrine.
So I think the longest I've been without breaking quarantine is a week. Yeah, a week actually.
Told you.
You win. What do you want? A puppy?
I mean, if you got one.
Do you just have pop? Oh, God.
You're out. There
I
you go.
died.
Dead.
Okay. You guys need to help me find this goddamn shrine. I've been searching all over the map.
I thought you found it.
No. I would have activated it. Told Lewis to get his ass over here.
You have so much health.
Yeah, you're fine. It's because Peter's a little bitch who runs from fights.
Oh, whatever.
Cut her tongue.
Ooh, dodge. Where is...
My super suit.
I love how you thought... Oh, it was over here! I found it, guys!
Wow, tucked into a corner. Fuck this.
I know.
No one was shrine in the corner. Oh,
So
God!
dumb.
Oh, Jesus. You're gonna die, dude.
Thankfully, I have volcanic eggs.
All I hear is like squeaking of a teddy bear.
Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna die.
Jeez. There's so many dudes.
Okay, yeah, no, just no.
Dead.
Dead.
God damn.
I just unlocked some dude, I think.
Nice.
The Survivor? Is that the one Pierce playing? Ah,
Low-key? No. You got a huntress?
yeah.
Huntress.
I got a midget.
Okay. Hold up. Okay, I gotta go take a church. I'll be right back.
Take a what?
Take out the trash.
Take a church.
I heard you take a church too.
I'm still here.
Sorry.
Prove it.
As
I
in
thought he
a
was taking
trash.
you out.
Still here.
So yeah, I imagine I'm gonna get an email about like quarantine being lifted, and then like 2 minutes later getting a text from Rashi's. It's like, okay, so we're getting together. Like, when's a good time?
100%. Oh yeah, that's definitely happening.
Just immediately.
100%. 100%.
Like the governor is still like, okay, so quarantine's been lifted, but you know we still have to be responsible, and it's just like, boom, you want to come over?
It's like, ooh, Friday.
We're being responsible. We're being responsible. We're gonna start with ordering all our favorite food. Each one of us gets to pick which place we want. We get shit ton of food. Still gotta keep our masks. Still gotta stay 6 feet from each other.
Yeah, so no
And
mouth
then-
kissing.
No, please no mouth kissing or butt kiss, please.
But
And
just,
then,
butt kissing
because
is
that's
fine.
E. coli. That's how you get E. coli, though.
what if you just make our butts kiss?
No, still no.
Docking
And then
only.
we're gonna play.
Talking only.
It's the only safe activity.
but then women can't participate.
Well, that's a bummer.
No, I guess
More
I'm just
for
gonna have
us.
to pull out my 13-foot dick.
More donkey for us.
Sexist and gay. I knew it.
Of course I have to be attracted to the superior sex, obviously.
What the fuck? You don't hate women. You're jealous of women.
The vagina envy.
Yeah, not penis envy.
Man vagina envy.
Mangina envy.
Man vagina envy.
And then we're just gonna play board game fucking day. And then we're all gonna get a shit ton of boba. So that is how we roll.
Fuck it, dude. Just
Winning
order the
quality.
boba.
There we go. Keep it
No,
in
we
the
have to
start
roll up into the boba shop and with like 20 people and then have them be like, oh shit, it's one of those parties. And then like
because we can.
fill up their shop and like make all the other customers be annoyed because we have like 40 orders in our like
Yeah.
Because we pushed all the tables together into one thing.
into one giant table.
There we go. Because we can. Cannot wait.
It's funny because like that isn't happening anytime soon.
Oh, girl, no, not at all. Not for God knows how long.
It could. We just couldn't tell anyone. Your neighbors would rat you out so quick.